everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your Loancare account. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Open up a web browser of your choice, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.loancare.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Loancare, which looks like this. Select if you're a lender or a homeowner. You'll end up in the official page. From the official web page, you'll be able to see a sign in area on the right hand side of the screen. To log in and access your Loancare account, you'll need to enter your user ID followed by your password. Go ahead and enter your user ID associated with your Loancare account and make sure to type in the information correct. Once you are done, head over to the password field and type in your password. If you'd like the system to remember your credential for you, then check this Remember Me box. Leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. After you are done, you can go ahead and click on the sign in button to get access to your Loancare account. After logging in, you can pay your bills, view your loan progress, and so much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.